Happy video day, guys. So for today's video, we're going to be doing my unboxing of my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for August of 2019. So I finally got this in the mail. I'm super excited to look through it. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys every single product that I got in Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and then I'm going to compare it to how it did up against the August 2019 Boxycharm box. Guys, so I have a huge back to school giveaway going on right now. If you guys want to enter in it, I do have a link in the description box. Don't forget to follow that link and enter to be part of that giveaway. I already know what's in this box because Ipsy kind of like shows you, like they send you like an email and it shows you like everything that you're going to get in your box. So I usually with Ipsy, I kind of know already what's going to be in here, but I did see some other unboxings and some people got something that looked so amazing, and I know it's not in this box because I did not get the email saying I was going to get that, but some people got an IT Cosmetics foundation and I was like, what? I did not get no IT Cosmetics foundation, and I was kind of like, why? But I know it's not in this box. So the August 2019 is Bare Yourself. That is the theme of this box. So and then inside of this pamphlet, it tells you every single one of the items that you got. But we're going to go ahead and go into this box together. I'm going to show you guys everything that I got. I do like Ipsy's box a little bit better than I like the Boxycharm box, just like the box itself. But anyway, so let me show you guys the first thing. So the first thing that I got in this box is from Ahava. So this is the Hydration Cream Mask. So this is a mask from Ahava. This mask here retails for $33. It's supposed to be infused with Dead Sea water, and it's a mineral rich mask that helps brighten and hydrate your skin. This seems interesting. I like hydration products. I'm not somebody who has very dry skin. My skin is very combo. It's like oily and then sometimes it's a little bit more dry, but I do love anything that's hydrating. I am in my 30s, so for me, anything that has hydration, I actually really like because my skin goes through phases. Sometimes it's a little drier than others, and then sometimes I'm like, oh my god, my skin's normal again. So my skin's kind of funky lately, but this is a great product. I want to try this one out. The next thing that we got in this box is this. So this is from the Balm. So I actually have never tried a Balm product, and this is the Balm Cosmetics In the Balm of Your Hand Greatest Hits Volume 2. So this has eyeshadows and blushes and also a bronzer and highlighter in it. It retails for $32. And I'm interested. Let's see what this looks like. I'm interested. Oh, okay. So this is what it looks like. It's actually very pretty. I like it. I love the colors in it. It's very like, you know, this looks like one of those go-to palettes that like a lot of people probably would like. It has very neutral colors in it. I think that this is something that a lot of people would enjoy. These colors down here are really pretty blush colors. I like the 3 blush colors. This bronzer looks a little deep, but I think it might work for my skin. And then these all up here are eyeshadows, and I believe you can use this one here is what they were saying for a highlighter as well. So this looks like a really pretty palette. Now, the only complaint I have about this is it's kind of bulky. Like if you see the amount of product that you get inside, why did this have to be so big? Like I feel like there's so much empty space in here. So that's the only reason that I didn't touch this palette. I would have tried it on for you guys, but I was looking at it going, God, am I gonna keep this? Because it just seems so bulky. So I haven't decided whether I want to keep this or put it in a future giveaway. So actually this looks like it's a pretty neat product. I do think that a lot of people are probably gonna enjoy this. So that was okay. I do know the Balm you can get at Walgreens because I've seen it at my Walgreens. So the next thing that we got here is from NYX. Okay, so this right here is from NYX Cosmetics. It's the Sweet Cheek Blush Palette, and it has a bunch of different blushes in it that you can layer together. There's 8 blushes in total, and it retails for $20. This is actually pretty. This is nice. This is especially nice for people who don't have like a lot of blushes. You got a lot of blushes to pick from here. I do like this product. It also is from NYX. So this is another drugstore brand. So we've already gotten like 2 drugstore brands inside of this Ipsy bag. And this actually looks like it's a pretty neat product. I actually like this. This looks really nice. This is also nice. I do feel, however, like between this and the Balm one, like I almost feel like I got like a multitude of blushes here. Like this one has 3 blushes and a bronzer in it. Yeah, like 3 blushes and a bronzer. And then this is like a lot more blushes. So I almost feel like this is like kind of like almost the same thing. Like if I got this palette, why did I have to get a lot more blushes? Like that's just my opinion. I just think it was like kind of like a overabundance of blushes. And if I were to like pick and choose, like do I want to keep one for me and one to give away, I probably would have kept the Balm one. I almost feel like that was kind of like a redundant product. What do you guys think? I mean, that's just my opinion. Then the next thing that we got here is from F.A.R.A.H. So I've never heard of this brand. So this is the F.A.R.A.H 5-piece Eye Perfection set designed to seamlessly shade and blend. And the value of this is $48. Let me check. I mean, looking at it, like just looking at it off the bat, I almost feel like the silver handles feel, yeah, the silver handles feel a little cheap. And the bristles, this is not the type of brush that I would like, to be honest. Just feeling it, this is just not, these are just not my style. Like, I can tell that I'm not gonna enjoy these brushes. I feel like some of the bristles are not like the type of bristles that I like. They're a little bit too open, like they move a little bit too much for me. So this doesn't seem like it's like, I just don't think that this is in line with what I would typically use for eyeshadow brushes. So I think somebody else will have a better use out of that. So that's probably gonna go into a giveaway as well. And then the last thing that I have in this box is from Suva. I think it's Suva, Suva, I don't know. Suva Beauty Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops in the color Trust Fund. So this is a liquid highlighter that gets you glowing from head to toe, and it retails for $26. Let's see what it looks like. I'm not a huge fan of liquid highlighters. I've said this before. Liquid highlighters to me just sometimes are a little bit inconvenient because some of them don't work good on top of powders. I tend to only like the ones that do work good on top of powders because I can't switch my makeup routine. It's just a pain. I love the outer carton of this. I think it's beautiful. I love the way it looks. This is a very elegant looking product, and let's just look inside. And it has a dropper, so this is actually very pretty. So it does say that this is able to use all over the body, so it's supposed to be an all over glow. So this might be a very useful product to a lot of people if they really like that. I do like that it has a dropper, so it's easier to apply it to your hand and like put it wherever you want. So this product was okay too. And that's it. That's all I got in my box. Let me tell you guys how much this box was right now. So the total retail value of this box is $159. We do pay $25 a month for this box, and we get like 5 full-size products. And I mean, was it worth it? Yes, because the $25, I mean, there's one of these products has to be worth it. Like, especially like if I even just use this Ahava one, this Ahava one is $33, so that's almost the same amount that I paid for the box. And there is some nice products in here that I think people would like, so I think the box was worth it. Do I think that this was the best box? I don't really think so, to be honest. So I would have to say I'm not a huge fan of this box, to be honest, guys. Like, it's not my favorite box. I feel like this being the highest retail value in the box for $48, I don't really think the quality is 100% there. I definitely think that this is probably the best item in the box for me. I like that it's like a hydrating mask. So then between these two products, to be honest, I just think that they're redundant. And I said this before, this one has a lot of blushes in it, and then you get a lot of blushes here. So it's almost like an overload of blushes in this box for me. I feel like one or the other would have been sufficient for me. If I would have just gotten this and something different than this, I would have been happier with the box, in my opinion. So, and then this Suva one, I think that this is nice, and I think that some people are gonna enjoy it. So there's some products that are okay in this box. I just think it was like an okay overall box. It wasn't anything that I was like, oh my gosh, you know. And I feel like if we compare this to Boxycharm, Boxycharm kind of did a really good job this month. My Boxycharm had the Hydra Mist from Becca. This was like a standout product for me. But we also got the Big Eagle Mascara from Tarte. We've got 2 more high-end brands here that we got in our Boxycharm. Plus we got a product from Wander Beauty, which is their Illuminating Face Oil. So we've got 3 products here that are more high-end. We got these 2 Ace Beauty eyeshadows. These are some shimmer eyeshadows. These were actually really good on, like they really had a really nice impact. They weren't as expensive, so they were like one of the cheaper items, and it was still a really good product. And then the last thing was the Steve Laurent lip liner, which I didn't think was the best of quality. There was definitely 4 products inside of the Boxycharm box that I was like, wow, those are really, really good. Boxycharm definitely took it this month on this box, but I do feel like this box would have taken the cake if instead of one of these I would have gotten the foundation. Then I would have been a little bit more like, we got a really cool product in here, and then kind of would have outweighed it. But I feel like with the products that I did get, I'm gonna have to give this month to Boxycharm. So these are the 2 different boxes, so you guys can see everything back to back inside of them with both of their total values below. So if you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm or Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I do have links down in the description box that will take you to both of the different subscription services. But I have to say, this month, Boxycharm for the win. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, leave me your comments below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.